from Beijing to the world. News like you've never seen it before. Ballistic Propaganda Machine. All ballistic, all the time. This is BPM News.
Welcome to this installment of BPM News. I'm your host, Jake Walker.
And I'm Daniel Goss, bringing the ballistic world to you. In this installment, we're talking about BAM's exhibition, 10 Years of Dumb. And we're going out onto the streets of Beijing and asking people what they thought of the show. So let's go to our man on the street right now and see how it's going. How's it going out there?
It's going just great out here.
That's great.
Well, let's hear what people had to say about the show. That's a great idea. Let's get started. Hello, I'm here with Wendy Wong, and I'm going to be asking her what she thought of BAM's 10-year show. Wendy, what did you think of BAM's 10-year show?
I think it's very interesting to see an architecture exhibition. It brings something fresh to this art district, and I quite enjoyed it. It's very entertaining at the same time.
Interesting. We once heard a critic say that this is not how you're supposed to do a show. What do you think that person meant by that?
This is not how you're supposed to do the show? Who the fuck said that?
We'll keep it anonymous. You heard it from Wendy Wong first. Who the fuck said that? I'm here with Zandy Brockett, and we're going to be asking her what she thought of BAM's 10-year show. Zandy, what did you think of the show?
Well, aside from being one of the dumbest shows I've ever seen, I would have to say the goldfish were spectacular.
So what would you say about this show fitting or not fitting within the context of the 798 Arts District in Beijing?
That's a great question. I would have to say, given the mishmash smorgasbord of interesting exhibitions that I often come across in 798 today, the retrospective of BAM's 10 years of dumb architecture was actually fantastic.
There you have it, folks. It was actually fantastic. I'm here with Jan Cloisterman, and I'm going to be asking him what he thought of BAM's 10-year show. Jan, what did you think of BAM's 10-year show?
Jake, I liked it very much because I like fortune cookies.
There we have it, folks. Jan likes fortune cookies. I'm here with Lama, and I'm going to be asking him what he thought of BAM's 10-year show. Ma, what did you think of BAM's 10-year show?
Ja, ich glaube, this show is so super. Farbe is good. Farbe. Yeah. Farbe.
The color is very good.
Yeah.
That's what he says. Anything else to add to that?
Ja, Farbe und ja, diese Architektur, ne, diese Skizze finde ich auch gut. Auch sehr gut.
There we go. That's what Lao Ma thinks. It's very good.
Ja, vielen Dank.
You're welcome. I'm here with Leah Han, and I'm going to be asking her what she thought of BAM's 10-year show. Leah, what did you think of BAM's 10-year show?
Okay, actually it makes me feel nervous. You ask me like this. It's like a really great ceremony, but when you go inside of the space and you will see what BAM is doing in the last 10 years. So it's really amazing, but also kind of stupid. But it reminds me one of the Chinese philosophies saying that people who are most wise always look stupid. So
There you go, folks. The old Chinese adage, the people who are most wise look the most stupid. Thank you, Leah.
thank you for BAM for the most amazing 10 years.
I'm here with Yangzi, and I'm going to be asking him what he thought of BAM's 10-year show. What did you think of BAM's 10-year show?
这是一个特别好的展览。然后有一次，尤其是我到了这个展场里面，看到他们对空间的使用，我就会觉得他们就是对自己的这个其他的空间的使用，就实际上他们操作的这种空间，会有非常非常强的这种感受。然后这是我最大的一个感觉。
You heard it here first. Thank you, Yangzi.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm here with Ale Sebastiani, and we're going to be asking her what she thought of BAM's 10-year show. Alessandra, what did you think of BAM's 10-year show?
That was great, and yeah, it was good to see all of your work together, and also a little bit of mine.
A little bit of your work as well. But
Yeah.
tell us what you really think.
I think that you didn't advertise it enough. Okay.
You can say whatever you want.
No, I know I say whatever I want. I think you didn't advertise it enough.
Well, thank you very much. You heard it right here, folks. It was too far, so she couldn't go enough. Thank you. I'm here with Liu Yushan, and I'm going to be asking her what she thought of BAM's 10-year show. Yushan, what did you think of BAM's 10-year show?
Because I'm an artist, generally really interested in color, so I get a sense of your aesthetic about colors. So like very colorful, very something like from 60s, 70s, pop art. I really like the humor, the sense of humor in your work.
We know that you are an animal lover. What did you think of the tank of goldfish?
Tank of goldfish. Well, I think that orange and that gold is really a good combination to that fake green carpet. Yeah.
You heard it here, folks. Goldfish are a good combination with fake green. I'm here with Miranda Vukasovic, and I'm going to be asking her what she thought of BAM's 10-year show. Miranda, what did you think of BAM's 10-year show?
It's the dumbest show I ever seen in the past 10 years.
The dumbest show she's ever seen in the past 10 years. How did that make you feel?
It made me feel excited. I want to also be a part of that dumbness.
She also wanted to be a part of the dumbness. What was your favorite aspect of the show, Miranda?
I loved how all was installed with the palm trees outside. Then I loved that it wasn't pure architecture, but it had some kind of irony into the show. So the Halloween costumes, it's what really stayed impressed in my mind.
The favorite part of the show for Miranda Vukasovic, soon to be very famous, was, of course, the costumes. Back to you.
That's all the time we have left for today, folks. We look forward to seeing you again.
Right here on Channel 28, BPM News.
To follow BPM News, Ballistic Architecture Machine, or BAM, please log on to our website at www.bam-usa.com, or simply follow us here.